Okay, so to start off today, first off with Monday's Zoom meeting, something glitched out with my computer, so I do not have a Zoom recording for Monday. But what we went over on Monday, I will cover in this video. So if you do have more questions, please let me know. The first thing we did on Monday was finish up the body paragraph, the first body paragraph. You should be working on that. You should have it all but done if you haven't finished it yet. If you have questions on that, please let me know. Once you are ready you're going to take the body paragraph quiz and then submit your body paragraph. The next thing that you are going to do after that is we spent a lot of time looking at The Great Gatsby today. We didn't look at any ACT drills. We did read most of chapter 4. We only have about two or three pages left of chapter 4. So actually, are we on chapter 4 or chapter 5? I need to move that quiz on here. So I will move that and bring up chapter 4 quiz. I apologize for the confusion. So on Wednesday we will be taking that chapter 4 quiz, possibly, but more than likely we're just going to be focusing Wednesday on this ACT English section. We're going to take a full section of the English ACT test. After that, we're going to be spending time finishing up our essays. We'll work on the last body paragraph and the conclusion. So with that in mind, if you do have questions, I know some of you are going back and forth between quarantine, but essentially for this week, your first body paragraph, your body paragraph quiz, you're going to take the English ACT section on Shmoop. You're going to take a full section. If you have issues finding that, that's the main thing we're doing on Wednesday, so you need to reach out to me and ask if you have a question on that. But after you've done that, it's finish up your essay and finish the reading for chapter 4. We won't take the quiz. I've decided that's too much for Wednesday as far as quizzes go. But yeah, if you have any more questions, please let me know. If this video was confusing or anything like that, please email me. Thank you.